What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the channel. I'm here with Jordan Da Silva, my son, and today we're going to do something really cool. So we've never ever built a PC, but he's all into Fortnite, streaming, gaming, and he wants a new gaming computer. So we ordered all the parts from Amazon, and we're going to show you guys what we're going to do and how I learned how to do these from another YouTube channel. But yeah, we're just going to dive into it. So stay tuned and check it out. So we should be able to.
Real gold chain on my neck, don't bug. Got chain on my neck, don't bug. Got chain on my neck, don't bug. Chain on my neck, don't bug. Chain on my neck, don't bug. Chain on my neck, don't bug.
That's interesting.
Chain on my neck, don't bug. Savageries, I don't wanna be a millionaire. Savageries, refugees, and never need. I don't wanna be a millionaire. One for me, but never need without.
Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put the power source together. And it looks like that it's gonna go right here. Now, at the bottom of this case, you can see that that's where the filter is at. We're gonna make sure that the fan is pointed down at the bottom. So yeah, and let's see what we got here. Plugs in. Let's move on to what else we gotta do. I think we gotta start building the motherboard. So you can't see where the USB ports go. So there we go.
Right here is where the USB ports will go.
So we're about to install the RAM. So we got two 8GB RAMs. So I'm gonna put one of these in. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, so that's not it. Let's see what align with that. I know, I'm sorry.
Wait, will those start going up once it's connected to the here?
So, yeah, I think it will. Let's see what we got here. Smart? Oh my god, you're gross. Alright, so it looks like we got
unexpected.
The power ball, the power supply, the motherboard, 2 RAMs, SSD card. We'll put the processor in. Jordan just farted. And now we gotta put a fan.
Yes.
Alright, I think we got the fans done. I think we got the cooler, super cooler in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this bad boy in. Oh yeah. So a little bit. Yeah, this is cool, right? First build. Really not to it, just a bunch of putting things together.
Yeah.
I'm taking here where the let me see if I can show you. So
Now right here we have got our graphics card. As you can see right here. Here's the back, what it looks like. I'm pretty sure all we're gonna do is just connect something and just slide it in just like that. So let's see.
there's no HDMI ports up here. Yeah, there's one here, but yeah. Alright, I think we're done, man. Go find out what we need to do as far as the cable.
Didn't wanna die. No, we're on cable management. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the PC. We're done building it. Those two like LED things right there is my RAM. I have 16 gigs of RAM. Right here at the bottom where it says gigabyte, those are my graphics and frames. It's like my graphics card. If you are going to build a PC, you're gonna need, and on the sides there are fans. Right here, as you can see, is a spinning fan.
You're the one that's making it.
If you can notice that, there is a spinning fan to cool down the PC so it doesn't overheat. For this process, you're definitely gonna need an SSD card. It was a struggle, but we figured it out. We fixed all the cables, we have them all in the back.
Yep, so and we got it all put together, so it took us what, about 3 hours? 3 hours. It took us about 3 hours to put it all together. And once we got it all done, I started with the power supply, then she's fine. Then I started with the power supply, then I went ahead and put the RAM, the SSD card into the motherboard, the processor into the motherboard, and then the last thing that I did was we put this cooler master dual fan in it, and that was done. We put the motherboard in, then we put the graphics card in, and then we kind of routed it all together. I thought I was done after I did all that. I turned on the PC, I connected the HDMI, and I was getting no display at all whatsoever in the monitor, so I was kind of freaking out. We had to leave and go to a friend's house. We left. We came back. I talked to a buddy of mine. He's a little bit more techie. Again, this is our first build, so we're new to all these. We have no idea what we're doing. We're just showing you the process. So I had no display. He came, he took a look at it. He didn't do nothing. All he did was disconnect the RAM. It's okay.
I can't see myself.
So let me try to move this real quick. So he didn't do nothing much. All he did was disconnect the RAM, which I had done already, but he did both of them. I had only one. He disconnected both RAMs. He disconnected both.
But stop it! You didn't do nothing.
He disconnected both RAMs, put them back together, and then he booted. So we have a done project. Took me about 4 hours. I will list all the parts in the
the company was you went to build a PC, right? Build and make
PC part picker, and then I also watched the video, which I'm gonna put it because this guy was very straightforward.
We're gonna put a link in the description.
What else?